Hello everyone, this is your Professor Kendra Crow from Literature 201, and I wanted to talk to you today about how to properly cite for your discussion boards as well as your end paper. So I'm just going to give you a couple of one example and kind of show you how to find the information for any other situations that you might come into during this class. So here I've got an example of an excerpt from maybe your discussion board, or this could possibly be from your paper, with a direct quote in it. So it reads, "I resonated with the idea that, quote, all literary works are orphaned at birth," unquote. So the quoted material I got from your e-textbook. And let me show you where I got that, and then we can discuss how we go about citing this material. So it's right here in green. I'm in the e-textbook, and it's right here in green, and it says all literary works are orphaned at birth. Okay? So what we need to do now is find a little bit more information about this text. So I'm going to scroll up here, and I'm going to look at the title of the text where I got this quote, as well as the author, and then I'm going to look at the page number right here. So it's page 1.9 from your e-textbook. Okay, so we've got enough information here for our in-text citation. So I'm going to go back to our quote, and I'm going to do a little something to it. So I'm going to put in an in-text citation. Now, an in-text citation is something that is going to help denote where cited material is in your writing, and then it will also make reference to your end notes, your end citations. So what we're going to do here is what you use is the author's last name, which was Eagleton. Sorry for my typing. And then the page number from your e-text, so 1.9. And then we do an end parenthesis. And then you put your punctuation at the end. So that's all you need for a in-text citation. Now what we do is this is going to also be referenced in our end citation, so our works cited citation. And this is how it would look in your discussion boards or also in your paper. So we start out with the same information as we have here in our in-text citation with our works cited citation. So we start out with Eagleton, and that's how they reference each other, right? So it's the author, and the author's last name is all referenced together. His first name was Terry, and then the name of the essay was How to Read Literature. Right? Let me just make sure I got that right. How to Read Literature, Terry Eagleton. Okay, sounds good. Now, the rest of this citation is going to come from your textbook information. So where do we find that? Okay, I'm going to go back to my browser here, and I'm going to go to Blackboard. So this is your course, Blackboard Learn. And I'm going to go to Final Project. And then I'm going to go to Research and Writing. And I'm going to pull up this document called Citation Quick Guide. And this Citation Quick Guide starts here, and this is for our course, so for Literature 201 Citation Guide. And it's going to give you all the information that you need to do your in-text citations, which we just did, which was this, and then your works cited page. So here's where we're going to gather the information for our works cited page. So here's an excerpt from the web text with a known author, which is what we have. Actually, it's here, introduction to the web text. So it's a known author, so we already have this information all the way up to this point. So here's where we're going to gather the information from that point on. So here is the name of our textbook, so it's Early World Literature, and that's in italics because italics, you use that for a full text, like a full novel or a full long play. You'll notice that I put the name of the essay in quotation marks because that's just a portion of a larger text. So we have how to read literature here in this quotation marks. And then here, early world literature, I'm going to put in italics. So I'm going to go back to my document here, and I'm going to go early world literature. And I'm going to put that in italics. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to gather some more information. What's next? So next it's the city and state. So Asheville, North Carolina, with a colon, and then the name of the publishing company. So Asheville, North Carolina, colon, Sumo Publishing. So let me go back to our document here. And then I'm going to go back and gather more information. So 2014, period, web, period. Okay, and that would be properly cited. We have our proper in-text citation and then our proper works cited citation at the end. I wanted to go back quickly and just show you some more information on this quick guide, citation guide. So again, here's your in-text citation. If you do have an author that's unknown, then you just put the name of the work. So here, Gilgamesh, which we read next week, there's no known author. Some of these ancient texts don't have a known author. So you just put the name of the work, and notice it is in italics, as it should be whenever you reference the name of the work in your writing. Otherwise, it's the author, right? The author with the page number. Okay, and then for your works cited, same thing. So if it's a known author, you put the author's name first, then the name of the piece that you're referencing. If there's a translator, you put then the translator's name. The translator is not the author. Make sure you're making that distinction. You have the name of the web text, and again, all that's the same information. If you have an unknown author, you just start with the name of the text, the Epic of Gilgamesh, and again, the translator comes after. They did not write that, they translated it. It's different. And that's it. So hopefully that was helpful. And again, if you have any questions regarding this moving forward, feel free to contact me. Thank you.